Truly stand by this slogan, young or old, we will always need the women's support. To ensure the security of the women in the country, the entire population should be well educated and the law should be very tight against every kind of crime. The class of 280 believe in the importance of creating a safe environment for women all over the world. The completion of 2 CME last term as data MC, the card holder previously inherited that record might by voicing out the friend's slogan as Philippine Source. As the class believes in the spirit, passion to work, hard work, loyalty and pride, achieving the purpose together, brings in the true meaning of the life and cultivating the right attitude. Class of 2CME marches to signify community and diversity, teamwork, cooperation and coordination. Flag bearer, PHA. The city needs to protect our ocean and protect our future. Our oceans are the very foundation of our economy. We provide society with numerous environmental services, access to various resources, safe haven for final species. Conservation is the preservation of life on earth, and that above all, earth is the world fighting for. The new charter of the class of 1 PCMA as they raise their voice to the cause of saving the ocean. Marching for the Judas, the women and women, class of 1 PCMA, class teacher, Ms. Neetu Mary Martin, placard holder, Janvi G, flag bearer, Nanda Lakshmi Shetty. The class marches harmonious every commitment to accelerate action and break existing gaps and barriers to achieve gender equality. This begins at home and lessons learned in families are at the forefront of change. It is more of a daily practice than something that happens overnight. Class of 1 PCMB marches today ensuring gender equality on board of the daily session. Mental health is the most crucial aspect of our existence in the current era. More and more people, young and old, rely accordingly for various mental health disorders. Mental health issues may be as old as mankind, but the awareness and always the correct reason. The class of 1 PCMBC march for the cause of every mind as a collective responsibility to create the cause in society. No Coming up next is class 1 PCMC. Teacher Mr. Hugo Thomas. Lata Road to welcome our NNA and flag bearing drugs are used for cure, but it also kills. It gives one realistic life but takes away many lives. Initially, on dwelling on the satisfaction they get from them, but later they are an endless cycle of stress and other negative emotions. So, it is a no that can change your life. Students of one PCMCI, say together, let's do it. Let's take a stand for the drug-free life. We have as one PCMCI marching forward along with our teacher, Mr. Anandi Zakaya. Lata Road is now wireless and flag bearer Pranju Lebanon. Here comes the purple flag. With the anthem Hakuna Matata. Music. Succeeding today is a way forward, and everyone is determined to protect another earth counts. Finding these ways and educating near and dear ones about it is how to make it contribute. Class 1 PCMCI, march on for the leader here, awards, events, deforestation. Changes leadership. We have class 1C NSA, class teacher Ms. Deepa George, Lata Holder, Movement, flag bearer, Dahlia Bryson. The class marches to the cause, march together, conquer to make change. Our statement slogan, be definitely unity and make it happen the next day. It is said that if you will in your mind, you will win in reality. Success is not final, failure is not failure. It is a courage to continue that counts. Change is the only constant in life. One's ability to adapt those changes will determine one's success in life. Marching before you is a part of 1C NSA. Lata Roller, Yudhima, flag bearer, Dahlia Bryson. Mental strength is not the ability to serve with darkness. Rather, it is the ability to serve into darkness with the hope that light will shine. It includes our emotional, psychological, and social development. Marching next is a class of 1C NNA. Class teacher is Vanna Mary, Lata Holder, flag bearer, tribute, to the cause of gravity and world hunger. The three equals is the most important item. NNA has taken the first step in eradicating world hunger to provide monetary benefit to charity to make a difference, and we hope to be the momentum in life by inspiring everyone virtually through their various society. Zero food deprivation is what the world should consistently strive for. Next to lead the joint parade is one ATSEN, class teacher Ms. Anita Ravindra Kumar, Lata Holder, Nina Shami, flag bearer, Shreyas Kiran. The class marches for the cause, go green, making our earth. We stand together, recycle for the life cycle. Climate scientists believe includes adaptable to universal climate to our planet. That is less than a decade left for most India and margins are submerged from the melting of the iceberg. The class of YHSEN marches for a brighter future with less competition, less evolution. Souls to fight back the one and not be weakened by Thank you.